wrapping up on the markets. It was that sort of a day. We started off well in the green. We couldn't hold really in the green though. What weighed in today's trading session? You had tech-related stocks. Tech Mahindra, Infosys, Wipro, LTIMindtree, the top losers on the Nifty in today's trading session, and the tech sector on the whole was lower in trade. What did well then? Domestic-facing names. Rural-focused companies like MotoCorp, the two-wheeler maker, did quite well. UltraTech Cement, there's going to be a push in rural housing. That's the hope. That stock was up close to 3%. Grasim holds stake in UltraTech Cement, so that obviously gains as well. And select FMCG names did well. Nestle, case in point, that stock was up close to around 2%. What didn't do well from the broader markets? Well, global-facing themes. Vedanta, Coforge, Infosys, KPIT Technologies, all of them were under some pressure. NMDC as well was down 1.5%. What did well? Domestic-facing themes yet again. Ramco Cement was up close to around 6%, booming away by the time we wound up. You had Samvardhana, Motherson as well, that was up close to around 5%. Shree Cement up close to around 4%. All of them did pretty well in today's trading session.
Well, yeah, absolutely. And, market breadth was positive, even as the Nifty sold off a little bit. But there's enough and so much action, actually, in the broader markets, which I think is going to keep on busy. So you look at FACT and RCF and NFL, the fertilizer names, Rallis India, all up 10%, 10, 12, 14% up today. Titagarh saw very, very large volumes today, and stocks about 1,300, 1,330 or so. It's still not back at the highs, which is, the 3rd of June highs. I think it had gotten to about 1,450. So still about 120 rupees away from the recent highs. You had Karur Vysya Bank, which had a very large move, 7.5 on very large volumes today. Something like Reliance Infrastructure came up. So the recent low last week was about 150 rupees. It's back at about 186. But of course, it remains a far cry from the highs of the year so far. New India Assurance is another name. General Insurer, government company, 8% higher, very large volumes in it. You had Jyoti CNC, which saw a 10% move today, 1167. Repco Home Finance, 9% higher, 540 on that one. Stovecraft was up 10%. Stovecraft, I think, is doing well. It started off 2024 in a good way. 23 was a kind of a washout. 22 was not good either, but 20% so far in 2024. EPAC was up about 11.5%. Stocks at about 196. EMS Limited was another one, 8% higher, 531. So really lots of stuff going around as far as broader markets are concerned. All in all, 50 points, 55 points lower is what you had. It's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell. We'll take your leave. Thanks for watching. But don't go anywhere, because Markets Forward is coming right up after a quick commercial break.